Welcome to the another video of quadrilaterals. Okay, in earlier classes or in earlier videos we have seen what is curve, what is polygon, classification of polygons, then diagonals, then type of that convex and concave, regular and irregular polygons. Okay, now see, we are going to say angle sum property. In earlier classes you might studied the sum of angles of triangles. If you take sum of all the angles of triangles, then the total of that is 180 degree. Okay, degree is a unit of angle. Okay, let's say if you have one triangle and then A, B and C, then if you sum all the angles, it is angle ABC. Okay, the value of angle ABC, if I don't write M, then it is denoting only angle, this angle. But if I write M, measure of angle ABC, then it is denoting the value of angle ABC. Then ABC, then AC, BCA and plus yes, CAB. Okay, you studied that the sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree, and this thing we will see in quadrilaterals. Okay, quadrilaterals. But okay, some of you know that the sum of all angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree, but some of who doesn't know how it comes that sum of quadrilateral is 4. Then let's see, draw one quadrilateral. Let's see, yeah, this is quadrilateral, lateral A, B, C and D, and we want sum of angles. Okay, but one thing we know, that angle of sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. So we can divide this quadrilateral in triangles, and by the angle sum property of triangle we can conclude our angle sum property for quadrilateral. So make the angle so divide quadrilateral in triangles. Okay, so let's make it. So you can make triangle by making diagonals only. Okay, and in quadrilateral there are always two diagonals, and you remember you know the definition of diagonal. Okay, how we can make diagonal? By joining two consecutive vertices of polygon. So let's connect A and C. So see, we have two different triangles, this and this, and we know the property of angle sum property of triangle. Okay, but we want angle sum property of quadrilateral. Okay, this is quadrilateral. Okay, we want the angle sum property of this quadrilateral. Okay, so let's write sum of angles of quadrilateral okay, we named it ABCD is equals to, and we have divided this quadrilateral in two different triangles. So, and we know the angle sum property of triangle. So by that, if we apply that angle sum property for this triangle plus for this triangle, we will have angle sum property of what? Quadrilateral. So we can write that sum of angles of triangle ABC, this ABC, and what? Sum of angles of triangle ADC. So see, whole quadrilateral is covered. ADC. Okay. So whatever triangle is given, sum of its angle is 180 degree. So it is 180 degree. Same for this triangle, 180 degree. So it is 360 degree. And some of who didn't know that what is sum of angles of quadrilateral is 360 comes from. So it comes from this idea that we can divide any quadrilateral into triangles. Sum of all angles in one triangle is 180. Another triangle in another triangle is 180. So 180 plus 180 is 360. So by this idea, we can get angle sum property for any polygon. This is quadrilateral. Okay, we can get angle sum property for heptagon, hexagon, heptagon, okay, pentagon, okay. And you can see this example in your book also. Okay, and what did we use this angle sum property for triangle? That sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree, and we divided this quadrilateral in two triangles and then used it in this. So this is angle sum property for polygon or quadrilateral. Okay, so whenever you will be asked that, whenever you are asked that what is sum of angles of quadrilateral, then it is 360 degree. So this is all about for today's video. In next video we will start exercise 3.1, and it is very important for 1 or 2 marks questions. Okay, so stay tuned for chapter number 3.